Alright YouTube, today we're doing another food review. We're going to be reviewing the Reese's Blizzard. Let's give it a try, shall we? And they spilled chocolate fudge. Apologies that I can't hit the focus button. The camera is, hang on a second, I'm gonna set it down real quick. Let's see. But yeah, as I said, it's the Blizzard of the month. July of 2021, so let's give it a try. Here's what it looks like. I have to have this in between my lap because there's no cup holders. Well, there is, but they're full. But yeah, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Let's give it a try, shall we? Let's see how it tastes. Here we go. Eight out of 10. It's very good, which could be a lot sweeter though. But on the bright side, it does have some. It tastes very much like Reese's. And like it shows in the commercials, it is a Reese's Mountain. That is true. It's summer. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this food review. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring that bell to get notified for more great videos like this. Thank you everyone and have a great day.